Hello everyone, welcome to Blup 101 series. Today in this series we'll be learning all about Blup Editor. So speaking of Blup Editor, it consists of the top bar, which is this, the left panel, which is this, the right panel, which is this, and the central canvas, which is this. The left panel, known as the Layer/Pages panel, displays all the elements on the canvas. It helps you manage your app's layers similar to an onion's layers. You can switch between the Pages and Layers tabs to view different elements. Now coming to the top bar offers various options. You can create a new page like this, insert widgets/components onto the canvas like this, and even import designs from Figma using the Import Figma file button like this. Alright, now coming to the right panel. On the right panel, you can edit the properties of the elements such as their color, width or height. Let's start by changing the color. We are changing the color to red, as you can see. Now we are changing its width. We are keeping the width 200 and the height 50. Alright, now that the height, width and color has changed, let's come to the central canvas, which is also known as the page, which represents the white sheet where you can create your app's content. Well, anything placed outside the canvas will not be visible when you run your app. So as you can see, I'm placing this widget outside the canvas. So now when we run the app, it won't be visible. So now I'm showing you how we can run the app. This is how we run it. All right. Now our app is getting loaded. So I think it will take about a minute or two. Let's wait until the apps get loaded. Alright, so the app is finally here, and as you can see, the changes that we made in the Blup editor are visible here. The color has been changed, but the widget that we placed outside the canvas is not visible here. Alright, so guys, by understanding and utilizing these components efficiently, you can design and manage your app effectively in the Blup editor. So that's it for this video. We'll be meeting next with another video. Until we meet next, keep blupping.